The most popular wine glasses. Why using the right glass matters. Sommeliers believe that the right glass contributes to the wine's taste. Just like all things, wine glasses have undergone many developments and grew into multiple arrays over the years. Here are the types of wine glasses and why their dimensions, volume, and height matter. But first, let's do a quick recap of a wine glass's anatomy. That way, when we're discussing measurements and dimensions, you'll have a clear understanding of each wine glass. Parts of a wine glass. Rim. This is the uppermost part of the bowl where your lips touch. The size and shape of the rim direct the wine to the ideal area of the palate. Smaller rims tend to balance sweetness and acidity, while narrow rims can trap aromas inside the glass. So your nose gets directed to that burst of fragrance when you take a sip. Bowl. This is what holds the beverage. The bowl varies in size depending on the wine, but they should be large enough to enable you to swirl the drink to release the aromas. Stem. This is what connects the base and the bowl. The stem contributes to the glass's appeal and gives you a proper grip, so the wine's temperature is consistent. Base. Also known as the foot as it gives the glass stability, the base should be relatively thick and sturdy to keep the glass standing. Different types of wine glasses. With many different types of wines today, wine glassware has also expanded. As a connoisseur, pairing the drink with the perfect glass to enhance the overall drinking experience is a must. Bordeaux red wine glass. The Bordeaux wine glass has a tall bowl with enough space for the wine to be swirled. It can hold 21 to 22 ounces and measures about 8 inches tall and 3.8 inches wide for both the base and bowl. It is ideal for full-bodied, heavier red wines such as Cabernet Petit Syrah, Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, and Malbec and Merlot. Because it is a tall glass, it directs the wine to the mouth instead of letting it stay on your tongue. This is a valuable feature because you get all the flavor without the drink turning bitter. Burgundy red wine glass. Designed for more delicate wines such as Pinot Noir, Beaujolais, Red Burgundy, and Dulcedo. The Burgundy glass has a wider bowl measuring around 4 to 5 inches. It's about 9 inches tall and has a capacity of 21 to 25 ounces. It is constructed this way so when you take a sip, the wine can touch the tip of your tongue, giving an impression of the wine through smell and taste. The bowl also traps the aromas of full-bodied wines and balances the intensity. Cabernet or Merlot red wine glass. The Cabernet or Merlot glass resembles the Bordeaux a lot in terms of appearance. It has a large bowl that can hold about 22 ounces and measures 9.25 inches tall and 3.8 inches wide. Some variations have narrower rims, which are essentially designed for getting oxygen to soften the tannins and bring all those fruity notes out. The wide bowl allows the wine to breathe, and to accompany this with the narrow mouth just gives you the whole aromatic experience. Pinot Noir red wine glass. Usually used interchangeably with the Burgundy, the Pinot Noir glass does show some similarities in its overall look. But it has a variation wherein the bowl is tapered to the top with a slight curve. This glass has a capacity of 24 to 28 ounces and is about 9 to 11 inches tall and 4 to 5 inches wide. It probably has the widest bowl, but with a shorter stem. The design ensures that the wine has enough exposure to air to improve the aroma and flavor, directing the wine to the front of the mouth. It focuses on the sweet notes while balancing the acidity. Syrah or Shiraz red wine glass. The structure and shape of the Syrah or Shiraz glass are somewhat typical. It has a 24-ounce capacity, measures 9.2 inches tall, and 3.8 inches wide. The rim is tapered inward, which releases the fruit aroma and softens the tannins to give that sweet notes on the palate. It is practically used for medium-bodied red wines. This wine glass also has a stemless version that measures 5.4 inches in height and 3.8 inches in width. This structure makes the glass less susceptible to breakage and is designed to deliver the classic aroma of Syrah and its smooth and velvety texture. Zinfandel red wine glass. This is a lot smaller than other red wine glasses, with a capacity of only 13 to 14 ounces. The shape of its bowl makes it the perfect glass for fruity wines. The rim is also thin, which helps direct the wine into the center of your tongue, so you can interpret the drink's complex flavors and acidity. Chardonnay white wine glass. Generally, white wine glasses have narrow bowls, but the Chardonnay glass has a wide bowl that resembles the Pinot Noir glass. It holds 11 to 14 ounces and has a slightly tapered top. The glass measures 7 to 8 inches tall and 3 inches wide, providing enough space for aeration. This wine glass is ideal for Chardonnay and other full-bodied wines like Semillon and Wagner. With the large opening, the wine's sweet and oaky notes are released to get on the tip and sides of your tongue, enabling the palate to sense all the flavors and acidity. Sauvignon Blanc white wine glass. As the name suggests, this wine glass is perfect for Sauvignon Blanc and other light and medium floral wines such as white Bordeaux, Fume Blanc, Noir, Vinot Verde, Chenin Blanc, Muscadet, Muscat Blanc, and Pinot Grigio. It has a 12-ounce capacity and measures 8.5 inches tall and 3 inches wide. The wine glass is tall and slender enough to introduce a minimum amount of oxygen. The subtle, delicate floral notes are captured and delivered straight to your nose and mouth and altogether balance the wine's acidity. Rosé glass. Rosé is neither white nor red wine, but somewhere in between. It is made from red or purple grapes, but with less skin contact, resulting in stunning pinkish color. Rosé glasses have an 11.5-ounce capacity and measures 8.5 inches tall and 3 inches wide. The rim is slightly curved outward to resemble a tulip glass. It directs the wine first to the tip of your tongue so the taste buds can sense the sweetness immediately. The design of this wine glass enhances the sweetness of the crisp wine and balances the flavors and acidity. ISO wine tasting glass. This is the standardized structure of a wine glass that helps you measure the technical aspects of the drink, such as its shade and clarity. It's designed to enable scrutiny to the greatest extent. The rounded bowl, which is approximately 3 inches wide, allows the wine to be swirled easily without any spillage. This wine glass can hold 10 ounces and measures about 7 inches tall. The size, shape, and overall structure of wine glasses not only make them look appealing but also provide various advantages. The different types of glassware also make it easier to handle and treat wines with delicacy to provide the ultimate drinking experience. So, which is your go-to glass for red and white wine? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check out the link in the description box for the complete list of wine glasses and their benefits.